Hi, I'm Kirsten Billhardt. I'm the Marketing Director for Internet of Things here at Dell Technologies. And I'm here today at a major manufacturing event, and we're not alone. We're joined by many technology companies, all converged into one area to speak to the manufacturers of the world. And the reason we're all here is that the world of manufacturing has changed and is changing, and it's changing because of the opportunities that technology delivers. For manufacturers, for many years, they've been sitting on data coming from individual tools, data coming from their ERP system, data learned from their people or coming from their customers. But they haven't been able to really efficiently bring those data sources together and create new insights to better improve their operations and improve the experience and products for their customers. And that opportunity is here today, and it's here through Internet of Things, which allows you to bring data together in new and interesting ways and very quickly create insights that drive actions that improve operational efficiencies, that improve the customer experience, to improve the safety of operations, to predict and prevent issues, and even change your business model. We are here to showcase our different technologies and how we are able to help our customers by bringing these different bits and pieces together, combined with offerings from our partners to help solve real problems, to become more predictive, to become more preventive, to become more innovative around the world. We welcome you to learn more at delltechnologies.com/IoT.